Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent Stampin' demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today I'm showing you how to make this lovely shutter card where it can reveal a message once the shutter is open. And if you're wondering where I got this paper, it's part of the Lovely Blossoms DSP or Designer Series paper. And it came with a couple sheets of these, which have different sizes, different designs that you can use, and today we're using these. I already did this one and this one. We're going to do this one today. So with the card base 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 2 1/8 and 6 3/8, the usual gatefold measurements. There's that piece that I told you that I cut out. We have two shutters, which are, you start with a piece that's 3 by 3 1/4, and you score a 1/2 inch on the long side. There's an opening that for the shutter, and it's 3 by 5, and I already punched the circle. So the way to make this is, remember, it's 3 by 3 1/4 scored here, and then you measure 1 3/8 this way and 1 1/2 this way, and then you mark that with a dot, as I did. And then I went ahead and went from corner to corner. Sorry, corner to dot for the shutter. And there's your shutter. That's how you do it. Let me get the measurements out of the way. Let's go ahead and fold along the score lines. We're going to fold along the score lines on the shutter part here. And what they're going to do is they're just basically going to be right here. And I think I measured, yeah, I measured pretty much the circle in the center. So a little adhesive right here. Let's go ahead and use, let's do tear and tape today. And we're basically lining up the score line of the shutter. Actually, sorry, the edge to the score line of this. And I'll repeat by lining it up here to make sure that they're lined up. Close here. And that's the shutter part. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. This is 4 inches, so I'm just going to cut 2 inches here to make it exactly half for the opening. And I'm just going to do it closer to the edge, so when it's put together, it'll actually make a complete picture. Yep. And then the last thing you need to do is to get this raised up with some dimensionals. So I'm going to put some here so it doesn't interfere with the shutter. And the easiest way to do it is to do the bottom one first. Just to line it up. Twist it out. And then when you're happy with it, go ahead and hit the release papers on there. And that is it. What do you think? I'll bring back the other two. And you can make so many more with all the different DSPs. So if you like this, please like, comment, and share this video with somebody who you think might be interested in learning how to do the shutter card. And then be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can get many more video tutorials such as this. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.